Hello, I received your question. You want to write an equation in slope-intercept form and also in standard form. So it'll be the same equation, just a different arrangement where it passes through this point 1, 6 and perpendicular to this line. First of all, I wrote down the formula you don't need. Anytime it says write equation of a line, I think of this formula. So they do give you the 0.16. So you put in 1 for x of 1 and 6 in for y sub 1. The only thing we're really missing is a slope, and it's perpendicular to this line, and so that's how you're supposed to find the slope. So you want to solve this equation for y first of all. So I subtract 2x from each side, and I divide everything by 7, and so the slope is coefficient of x. Slope is negative 2/7. So the slope we want is the negative reciprocal of that, or perpendicular slope, which would be a positive 7/2. So again, you'd put positive 7/2 here, 1 here, and 6 here. That would be the equation they want. And then you just need to get slope-intercept form, which means solve it for y. I'll let you complete the problem. Hope this helps.